Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter 6, Introduction to Adobe Flash. Dear children, before going to study about Adobe Flash, we should know about multimedia. Multi refers to many. Media refers to means of conveying information. Computer information represented by audio, video, animation, text, graphics, drawings, etc. Okay children, now we will see about what is Adobe Flash. Adobe Flash is a multimedia software that is used for creating high quality animations, animated cartoons, animated logo, interactive movies, etc. Flash was originally developed by Macromedia, but in the year 2005, it was purchased by Adobe System. So, currently this Flash is developed and distributed by Adobe System. Okay children, in this video, we will discuss the topic creating a Flash document, saving a Flash document, opening a Flash document and editing the properties of Flash document. Okay children, now we will see how to start the Adobe Flash. For that, just click the tile. Then you have to select the Adobe Flash Professional CS 5.5. That time Adobe starting screen will appear. In this window, you should click the Action Script 3.3. That time Flash window will appear. Okay children, now we can see various part of this Flash window. What are they? Menu bar, toolbox, property inspector, stage, then timeline. Okay children, we can see the description of these parts in one by one. Okay children, first we will see about menu bar. Menu bar contains several menus such as file menu, edit menu, view menu, insert menu, etc. These menus are used to list the various functions and commands. For example, when we are going to hotel, first we are getting one menu. What it is contain? What are the choices are available in the hotel that will be listed in the menu. Is it correct? Same way, what are the functions, what are the commands are available in this Flash that is listed in the menu. Did you get me? Children, now we will move to the next part of this window, stage. The white rectangular area in the center of the window is called stage. All the animations, objects, scenes, all are created and edited in this area. Here, this grey area surrounded this white area. This grey area is called work area. What are things we are created in the work area that not visible in the final movie? What are the things are available in the stage that will be displayed on the final movie? And now we will move to next part of this window, toolbox. This toolbox contain various tools. These tools are used to draw, modify or coloring object on the screen. At a time we can select any one of the tool from the toolbox. These tools are used to draw on the stage. Some of the tools are selection tool, text tool, line tool, square tool, pencil tool, etc. And now we will move to next part of this Flash window, properties inspector. This property inspector is used to display the related properties of selected object. Here one object rectangle is there. I'm selecting this object. We can get the properties of this selected object. Did you get what are the properties? Its XY position, then its height, its width, its color. So these are the properties we can see in the property inspector. If no object is selected from this flash window, that it will be display the properties of this flash document. Did you get me? Okay children, we will move to the last part of this window, timeline. This is the most important component of flash. It is used to set the timing of various graphical objects. It consists of two components, frames and layers. Frames, this is here slices of time, that is a frame. Layers help to arrange the animations and the object sound, etc. Here is the rectangular shape. This shape is started to move. This is the use of timeline to set the timing of an object. Did you get me? Okay children, now we will move to next topic, creating a new flash document. For that, just click the file menu, then click new. The time new document dialog box appear. Select action script 3.0, then click OK button. The time new flash document will appear. Children, now we will see how to save the flash document. For that, first click the file menu, then click the save menu. Save as dialog box appear. There, select the location, then type the name of the file, flash1. Then click the save button. That file is saved with the name flash1. Okay children, now we will see how to open an existing flash document. For that, just click the file menu, then click the open menu. That time open dialog box appears. Select the file name from here. Here already I created flash1, then select, click open button. That time flash1 is appear in the screen. Did you understand? Children, now we are came to last section of this chapter, closing a document and exiting flash. How to close the document? Just click the file close. That time document is closed. Now the flash window is exist in the screen. How to close this window? How to exit from this flash? For that, just click the file menu, then click exit. Otherwise, click the close button.